That's why there's so much blood here and pus here, although the worms are not even big. In general, it's always about space. The parasite doesn't want to kill the animal, but if there are too many parasites in the same spot, then they're running out of space, and then the problem starts. Then you have infection, inflammation, things like that. Where's the two? I think this is a two-hand spot. Can you try, please? Can you get it? Perfect. Perfetto. Yeah. So, long story cut short, you have to check your dog every day. And if you see a problem arising, like this parasites all over, you have to do something fat right away. Not wait another 2-3 days to see if it by miracle disappears, miraculously disappears. It will only get worse. And worse and worse and worse. Really, sometimes I ask myself, how is it even possible that we have dogs in the Gambia? Because, they should be all dead from their worms. But somehow they survive.